Alright, YouTube. Finna do another unboxing. I had got some in the mail today, so we finna unbox some. So you already know we finna see what it is. Yes, I already opened it, so yeah, I already know what's in here, but we finna show y'all what's in here. So let me get back to the camera. So yeah, so I had got a GoPro, so that's why I'm finna start back doing YouTube and stuff like that. So today I will be vlogging with the GoPro, not vlogging, but doing a barber video with the GoPro. So I got the GoPro. I got a helmet mount. That's when I do my ride my bike and stuff like that. So, but yeah, on my Bike Life Jew page. I mean YouTube, so y'all can go subscribe to that too. So, and I got a tripod mount. So whenever I set up and do my videos and stuff like that, you know, nothing major, you know. But I will be doing a haircut video on this today. So I'll get back at you. All right, we're finna open it up. See what they're talking about. Yeah, we're gonna see if it's a difference from this camera to this camera. So yeah, let me get to the video. I'll just get back with y'all. Yeah, now I'm on the GoPro, so and I'm at 5K, so it look good. It look good though, so I'm finna charge it up. And whenever my clients get here, I'll do another video, so I have video for y'all. Yeah, I'll be right back at y'all. Super J. Before I begin any cut, I always comb the hair down on both sides to keep all the hair straight and in place. Now I'm about to start my first guideline. I usually use trim, but for this one, I'm gonna use my clippers all the way closed and start my first guideline. Now I'm gonna come back with my trimmer so I can bald everything and get everything bald at the bottom. Now I'm gonna use the 2-guard close to knock all the hair down before I start fading. And just remember, whatever you do to one side, you gotta do to the other side. Now I'm about to just use the clipper open with no guards on it, so I can start this second guideline.
half guard to get the rest of the bulk off the hair so I can start fading.
Super J.
Now I'm about to use my one guard close to start my third outline and still begin to fade. Now I'm about to use a half guard close to get out that bottom line that I just used on that one guard close. Now I'm about to use a no guard open, but close just a little bit just to get the rest of that excess line out. I'm about to use a 1.5 guard just open just a little bit just to go over it and get that bulk off of that line.
Super J.
About to use a one guard, just close just a little bit, just to go back over that line that I used with the 1.5 guard. Sorry to get the whole cutting process because I lost some files in my phone and stuff like that. But hey, next video we going up. But yeah, you see the video, you see the cut, and he looking like this. YouTube, if you like the cut, man, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, man. Hey, and send the video to your friends, man, so you get the latest update on the new videos. I should be posting like every week or so or something like that. But I'm out of here. Y'all be safe. Yeah.